Today we're at the Burnt Store Boat Ramp in Northwest Cape Coral. This is a 4.5 acre city-owned facility where you can drop your boat pretty much anytime you want. It offers great access through Matlacha Pass, get out to the Gulf, wherever you'd like to go. So there is a $15 fee, but if you're smart, you'll go see the city of Cape Coral, get yourself a $75 parking decal. So if you live in Northwest Cape Coral, or you're thinking about maybe moving into the area and you don't want to buy one of these big, expensive canal front homes, you live in an off-water home. Well, the city of Cape Coral will allow you to keep a boat in your backyard with certain restrictions. So you're gonna want to check with them to make sure you're clear on that. But this is a great alternative, be able to drop your boat, get out to all the great waters of Southwest Florida and have some fun in the sun. I'm Tom Kitty with McMurray and Members of Royal Shell Real Estate, and if you're looking for more information about Northwest Cape Coral and the surrounding area, give me a call today.